They start about the electrolytic substitution reaction as well as various important reaction of the pyrrole. So first one is the halogenation. Halogenation is the electrolytic substitution reaction. Pyrrole is the halogenated and it is the halogenated in the and last it is the form that is the 1, 2, 3, 4 tetra halopyrrole, and when it is the treated with thiamine chloride, sorry, when it is the treated with SO2Cl2, that is the form, the chlorination in the occurs. When it is the treated with the bromine acetic acid, bromination occurs, and when it is the treated with the iodine and potassium iodide, it is the iodination of the pyrrole occurs. So halogenation this is the occurs normally polysubstituted, means all portion of the pyrrole is the substituted by the halogen atom. Normally monosubstituted or monohalosubstituted pyrrole difficult to synthesis, difficult হয় synthesis করার জন্য, সেক্ষেত্রে সাবস্টিটিউশন যদি পাইরোলের যদি হ্যালোজিনেশন করা হয় সেক্ষেত্রে যে রিমেইনিং পার্ট যে ভ্যাকেন্ট থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে হ্যালোজেন কম্পাউন্ডটা সাবস্টিটিউটেড হয়. So halogenation, that is a normally that is a form 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahal compound. Nitration, as we studied in the electrolytic substitution reaction, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. This reaction is the occurs at the two position like benzene moiety. That is the reaction mechanism is like that. Nitration, that is the presence of the nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and it is the here in the acetyl nitride is the occurs. To carry out the synthesis, the temperature is a -10 degrees Celsius to give the base yield, and it is the form 2 nitropyrrole. And when sulfonation is the occurs, when the pyrrole is the treated in the presence of the sulfur dioxide and in the pyridine complex, sulfur complex, sulfur dioxide pyridine complex about the 100 degrees Celsius, it is the form 2 sulfo, that is the pyrrole to sulfonic acid. So at the two position substitution is the occurs, and as well as the when in the Friedel-Crafts reaction, we know the Friedel-Crafts reaction is the carried out in the base medium Lewis basic, here is the invert. So here is the dimethylamine is the acts such as the Lewis base, and it is the react with the pyrrole, react with the acetic anhydride as well as the acyl chloride, and this is the acyl moiety is the attached at the two position CH3COCl. This acyl moiety is the attached in the two position and CH3CO moiety, and it is the form 2 acyl pyrrole or 2 acetyl pyrrole. So this reaction is carried out is normally it is carried out in the presence of the alkali metal. The next reaction is the Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction name is the Gattermann-Koch, and in the case of the Gattermann-Koch reaction, we treating the heat of the pyrrole with the phosphorus oxychloride POCl3 phosphorus oxychloride and dimethyl formamide. This is the formamide dimethyl nitrogen containing 2 methyl, that is the dimethyl formamide, and in that cases the oxygen it is the produce the electrophile by here is the it is the at the CH it is the content Cl, and oxygen it is the removed, and that with the POCl3 the intermediate in the rectanium of absent, and this COCH plus Cl it is the react at that position and react at the two position, and it is the form CH double bond N dimethyl. So this is the form, this compound which further hydrolyzed in the presence of the basic medium like CH3 methyl sodium CH3C double Na. Sodium acetate দ্বারা যদি ফার্দার হাইড্রোলাইজ hydrolysis করা হয়, it is the form the 2-pyrrole carbaldehyde. This is the 2-pyrrole carbaldehyde. So this reaction, this reaction is the important Gatterman cause reaction, and Gatterman cause reaction এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা দেখেছি যে হিটিং করা হচ্ছে পাইরল in the presence of the potassium oxychloride, potassium phosphorus oxychloride, and that is the N-dimethyl formamide. So it is the produces the 2-pyrrole carbaldehyde. This reaction is known as the Gatterman cause reaction. Always this is known as the Needles-Meyer-Hack reaction. This reaction is also known as the Needles-Meyer-Hack reaction. The remaining that is the Golgi synthesis. Golgi synthesis, that is the insertion of the ceramylate molecule. It is the occurs at the 2 position and 2-pyrrole carboxylic acid form. When the diazobacic reaction in case of the like N2Cl, diazobium salt is the react with the pyrrole moiety, and this is the atom at the 2 position, and into pH, which is the at the 2 position, and it is the form the phenyl azopyrrole. This is the known as the phenyl azopyrrole. The reaction is the known as the diazobacic reaction. Now going to the remaining reactions of the pyrrole moiety. The reaction is the Gatterman cause reaction, and which is the also known as the Gatterman aldehyde synthesis. Here pyrrole is the treated with the hydrogen cyanide in the presence of the HCl, and this is the reaction is the carried out in the chloroform medium as well as in the ether medium. So in the chloroform HCl is the treated HCl and HCl, hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid NPK, and it is the form to formylation, and CH211NH2Cl, which further that is the hydrolysis to produce that formylation or 2-carbaldehyde pyrrole. Elimination from this double bond is the occurs on the hydrolysis of the So this is the Gatterman aldehyde synthesis of the pyrrole. In the upcoming the reaction, that is the methylation of the, or you can say alkylation. Alkylation is the normally occurs at the sodium potassium salt of the pyrrole, and sodium potassium salt pyrrole NaH, which is the converted to when it treated with the potassium or sodium KOH, solid potassium hydroxide. It is the form sodium potassium salt, and it is the treated with the CH3I, potassium iodide, or you can say that is the alkyl iodide, and it is the formed like the NCH3I. temperature required for 60 degrees Celsius. Further, it is rearrangement automatically and rearrangement done and automatically rearrangement, and this is the produce the 2 methyl pyrrole. This is the major products, and at the 3 position the 3-methyl pyrrole, which is the minor, it is the available at the less than 5%. So in the case of this reaction, normally the mechanism here is the rearrangement occurs, and like that the ionic CH3I, which is present on the in the medium. So the iodine which is at the CH2I, the iodine present of the medium, which is the iodine is the attached, and that position here is the negative charge has been generated, and further this iodine CH3I is the react, and that position at that position, and it is the open the this bond is the remove, and here is the after 2 position methyl group is the attached. So this is the alkylation of the pyrrole moiety, and it is the form about the 2 methyl pyrrole. It is the at the highest yield. The importance of the reaction of the pyrrole, it is the Monish reaction. Monish reaction is the important for the pyrrole. Here pyrrole it is the treated with the formaldehyde and dimethylamine. It is the form CH2N CH3 gold 2. Dimethyl amino methane pyrrole. This is the dimethyl amino methane pyrrole. Their intermediate is the form, and when it is treated with the methyl iodide, then another one methyl group is the attached, methyl iodide is the attached, and that nitrogen position, so nitrogen become positive charge and iodine become negative charge, which is easily removed when it is the treated with the potassium cyanide, and it is the form cyanide product of the pyrrole, and which is further hydrolyzed to form acetic acid pyrrole. Pyrrole to acetic acid of the derivative, and this is the known as the Monish reaction. Monish reaction is the important for that, and another reaction it is the also important, that is the here pyrrole it is started with the bond. And reaction is the OH synthesis. Pyro with the RCN and HCl, the similar reaction as I shown in the Gatterman-Gauss reaction, where RCN is taken as a HCl, and it is the form COR. So this is the form COR, and the previous said that is the form that is a CHO when we and the HCN we taken as an R. This is the form COR development. This is the reaction of this is the Hofmann exhaustive reaction, or it is the from the 1,3-butadiene from the pyridine moiety. So this is a 4-step reaction. Let's see the reaction how it is the form 1,3-butadiene. So pyrrole reacts with the sodium ethanol 120 degrees Celsius. Of course, reduction is the occurs. This is the reducing agent, and it is the form pyrolytic. And pyrolytic which is the react with the 2-methyl iodide moiety, and here it is the 2-methyl is the added at the 9th position, and N become poly. And iodide salt is the form. With further it is the treated with the silver hydroxide about 120 to 200 degrees Celsius. So iodide form is converted to the hydroxyl form. The remaining are the same, and when it is heated with the 120 degrees Celsius, the ring is the open and it is the form like that. And when it is treated with the again silver hydroxide first, and further that is the hydrolysis in the heating medium. This is the remove, and here is the bond is formed, and that is the produces 1,2-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,3-butadiene is the produced. This is known as the Hofmann exhaustive reaction. Pyrrole is also is a positive reaction on the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, pyrrole is the react in the presence of the chloroform and potassium hydroxide basis medium. Formylation is the occurs at a 2 position, and 2 formyl pyrrole along with the chloropyridine occurs, and 3-chloropyridine is the occurs in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, where the CCl2, which is the formed from the chloroform, the CCl2 free radical which is attacked at that position, and the bond is the open up to form the chloroform, and which is the 6 member. So this reaction is important because it is the produces the 6 member chlorobenzene, and that is the important because we synthesize it from the 5-member ring. So Riemann-Trippel reaction is the so much important. And another one is the having the least that cases it is react by the formation of the CCl2 free radical, and this is the produces the fluoropyridine. So the nitrogen will note down your topic in the nitrogen, that is the pyridine molecule, 3-chloropyridine. Reaction with the hydroxylamine or NH2O is in the reflux in the ethanolic solution. When pyridine is the react with the NH2OH, and it is the form the succinaldehyde dioxide. With the evolution of the ammonia, so that is a succinaldehyde dioxide. So this is the viral react with the hydroxylamine. So these all about the various chemical reaction. Among that, some important Riemann-Trippel reaction is the important for the case of the pyrrole. Also the Moniz reaction is the important is the also the Gattern-Koch reaction, Wieselmayer-Hack reaction. This is the important reaction about the pyrrole except the behind that is the electrolytic substitution reaction. The oxidation and the reduction of the pyrrole when reducing agent এর সাথে pyrrole যদি react হয়, that is the CH3NGBr. That is a reducing agent like zinc acetic acid. So it is the form pyroline molecule. That is the pyroline at a temperature required 120 degrees Celsius, and when it is the pyroline is treated with the nickel, hydrogen or sodium methanol, it is the form the pyrrolidine. And pyrrolidine when the temperature required about 200 degrees Celsius, and when the pyrrolidine when passes the red phosphorus in the hydrogen iodide, it is the also formed and partially saturated, and it is the form pyroline. So zinc acetic के साथे that is the pyroline form होच्छे, so it is a strong reducing agent. So this is the form the pyrrolidine, and pyrrolidine when passes through the red phosphorus and hydrogen iodide, it is the form pyroline. This is the about when pyrrole is reduced with the reducing agent, and oxidation when the pyrrole is oxidized with the chromium oxide CrO3 in the presence of the H2SO4 and acetic acid, it is the form the 2,5-dione. That is known as the pyrrole 2,5-dione. Pyrrole 2,5-dione. The chemical importance of the pyrrole is also already started the various chemical properties of the pyrrole. Now comes the last part of the pyrrole, that is the biological importance of the pyrrole. It involves subunit of the vitamin B12 and the hemoglobin. Vitamin B12 এই যে chemical structure এর মধ্যে pyrrole ringটা present আছে. It is the subunit of the vitamin B12 that is the hemoglobin. It is the also pyrrole substitutions is the present and the chlorophyll moiety, and this is the photosynthesis of the plant. This portion chlorophyll is the important for the photosynthesis, and chlorophyll also by pyrrole moiety is the present in the chlorophyll. Cyanocobalamin is the responsible for the Parthenius anemia in case of the pregnancy, which is known as the vitamin B12. This is the subunit of the pyrrole. It involves subunit of the pyrrole. হেমিনিতেও অলরেডি pyrrole present থাকে, which is the essential constituents of the RBC, red blood corpuscle, hemini. The pyrrole ring is available in the hemini. Proline it is the amino acid which is the also pyrromoid. The structure of the proline is the pyrrole leading to carboxylic acid. That is the structure of the proline, and proline it is the amino acid which is the essential for body growth. These are contains the pyrrole derivative. Nicotine it is the CNS stimulant. The nicotine which is the attached with the pyridine with the pyrrole. So there is a pyrrole meeting with that pyridine. This is the known as the nicotine, and nicotine also are a pyrrole derivative. Like that nicotine, cocaine also the contain pyrrole derivative. Constituent pyrrole is the constituent of the biological plant, and these are the biological importance of the pyrrole. Please make a fresh notes about the biological importance of the pyrrole and where the pyrrole substitutes or pyrrole derivatives are present in the biological unit. Thank you all.